Welcome to the in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here go to the sound section. Just scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we got here the default notification sound section. Just tap there, and here so you can select the new notifications sound by this way, and also you can add your custom notification sound from your device or from the Google Drive, for example. And for example, we'll go with the sweet one. Now just tap to OK to confirm, and as can you see we just changed successfully our notification sound to the sweet one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.